On November 11th, Binance, the largest crypto exchange by trading volume, came under scrutiny for listing two Solana-based Memecoins, the AI Prophecy, also known as AKT, and Peanut the Squirrel, or PNUT. The unexpected listings triggered sharp price surges, with AKT skyrocketing over 1,000% to a market cap of more than $400 million, and PNUT jumping around 100%, according to CoinMarketCap data. The sudden spike in value led to concerns within the crypto community about potential pump-and-dump schemes. Leonidas, co-founder of Bitcoin Ordinals Explorer or D.io, has started a petition questioning Binance's Memecoin listing practices, suggesting that the exchange is targeting low market cap Memecoins controlled by insiders. Leonidas claimed that such tokens can offer substantial portions of their supply as listing fees, which Binance might be using to generate revenue by selling off the tokens, potentially harming retail investors while benefiting insiders like venture capitalists and market makers. In response, critics are calling on Binance to disclose its listing fee terms and clarify whether payments are made in tokens, as well as outline any planned token sales. Industry voices such as Lupify, a pseudonymous founder of a crypto game studio, speculate that Binance may be lowering its listing standards to retain users who might otherwise turn to decentralized exchanges. Notably, an on-chain analyst, II_9684XTPA, observed that 80% of Memecoins listed by Binance in 2024 saw price increases post-listing. The data also highlighted that 60% of these Memecoins were built on Solana, with Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, and the Base network comprising the rest. The analyst suggested that Binance may be prioritizing factors like community support and popularity over market value when selecting Memecoins for listing, raising questions about the exchange's approach to Memecoin launches and its implications for retail investors.